Hello, it's Angela here from the Pattern Scribe. I'm just going to show you again in this video how I change colours mid-row. So I've got my third colour here and made a slip knot already. I've got my pattern here where I'm going to change colour in the next row. So I get my yarn and I'm doing a back loop single crochet. So I pull through. So I've got 2 loops on my hook, and then I select my third colour and place the slip knot on the hook and pull through the 2 loops. Pull the yarn tails tight a little, and then I do my next stitch again, back loop single crochet in the full colour, and then pull the tails tight. And then what I would do is pull the tails across so that in my next stitch or following stitches I can enclose those tails inside the back of the stitches, so that on the back of the work you haven't got any loose edges, as you can see there. So that's the changing the colour mid-row, and then I've got the correct colour stitches for the following row above when I'm ready to do the next row.